In this final video for Zotero, we want to talk about some common Zotero mistakes to make sure that you don't get frustrated and make sure that you don't submit bad papers. One of the first things to do is to check to make sure that your citation style is correct. If you look at the screen here, I am using Turabian. However, if you somehow made the wrong selection, I want to show you how to change that. Up in the top, under our Zotero options, you have the option for preferences, or sometimes it might be called settings. So maybe you inadvertently started and you didn't change it and it came in as regular APA, I think is the default actually. And you came in and you're actually entering stuff and it's coming out looking like this and your bibliography is wrong. Or maybe your professor says, hey, you're using APA or you're using MLA. Notice that all I did was make a change in the document preferences. So again, go to Zotero in Word, go to the Preferences area, and make sure that you check and use the Turabian 9th edition. When you do that, it's going to update the entire document automatically to make it now Turabian. This was actually one of the things that led me to use Zotero in the first place. I was writing a paper in Turabian. I needed to be writing for a particular assignment in what's known as SBL, and I had to manually convert everything in the paper by hand. If I had been using Zotero, a click of the button would have fixed everything automatically for a 40-page paper. Number two, another thing that is often an issue is if you're putting you have the wrong information. So if you'll look here, you should have the author's name, the title, the volume, the series, the city, if it's not a common city, the state, the publisher information, and the year. If ever any of that information is wrong, then you need to fix it. Again, if it's missing, you need to fix it. And the way to do that is just to go back into Zotero and find the actual item. So if I go in here and look up Aiken, for example, I think we were using the 1 John one, and find that actual item, I can go over here and edit. Now, sometimes it'll come in like this, Tennessee, is that right? And if that came in that way, and I noticed it in my paper, I would say, oh, that's wrong. It should not be Tennessee written out. It needs to be the 2-letter postal abbreviation, or if it's common, not included at all. So again, I would go here, I would find the place area, and I would fix it. I would either put it as Tennessee, or I would put it as Nashville. And then once I did that, I could come back here, hit the refresh button, and it would fix it to be correct. And again, once I fix it in the database once, it's going to be correct everywhere else that I use it. Another thing is capitalization. Sometimes when you download it from EBSCO or from Amazon, it'll come in as all caps. For example, if we go here to the Lionel Richie one, it's not that way here incorrectly now, but sometimes it will come in that way. And so if I go here and pull up Truly, and let's just say, for example, that when I got the actual download, all of that came in as uppercase, then I would need to go here and fix it. I was doing this earlier with a test example, getting ready for the video, and the entire thing came as all caps, completely wrong in Turabian. So you just need to fix that here, and it would fix it in your paper. Again, just use the refresh button and it would fix it. A few other things just to note: if for some reason you've got duplicate sources, you downloaded them more than once, my recommendation is just to keep this clean. Again, check here normally before you go download it. Usually it's going to flag you and say, hey, you already have this. Are you sure you want to download it again? Check that before you do so that your information is accurate. A lot of times students just assume that whatever it downloads is correct. But remember, you're the student, you're the researcher, you're the editor. Zotero is a tool, and it's only as good as the information put into it. So take a few minutes, just like you would if you were doing it by hand. Check the title page, check the journal article, put the right information in here once, and every time you use it thereafter, it will be correct. If it is wrong, fix it. refresh, and you're all set. Just a few mistakes that students often make that'll help you make a strong submission every time you use Zotero.